In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a journal entry in Wave, and we'll do it all in about 5 minutes. Whether you're a seasoned bookkeeper or someone delving into the world of accounting for the first time, Wave is a fantastic tool to help keep your financial records neat and organized. So, buckle up and let's dive right in. The first thing you'll need to do is go to the Wave accounting website. Make sure you have an internet browser ready, and simply type in waveapps.com in the address bar. Getting to know the Wave homepage a little will be helpful in the long run, as there are lots of resources right at your fingertips. Once you're on the Wave homepage, head right to the top right corner of the page and click on Sign In. If you're new to Wave, you may need to create an account first. But for today, we're focusing on how to make a journal entry with an existing account. When the Sign In page appears, you'll notice an option to Sign In with Google. This step makes the process quick if you want to connect your Google account to Wave. So, click on that option and choose your Google account to proceed. After you've entered your account, you'll find yourself on the Wave dashboard. This is your main workspace where you'll conduct all your accounting magic. Next, navigate to the sidebar and click on Accounting. This will open up various accounting options that Wave offers, tailored to make financial management less daunting. Within the accounting section, your next stop is Transactions. Clicking there will take you to a comprehensive list of all past transactions. Here is where the magic really starts, so go ahead and click on Add Transaction, located at the top right corner of the page. You're almost at the journal entry creation stage now. From here, click on Add Journal Entry. This is where you'll input the detailed financial records. Start by setting the date of your journal entry to keep your transactions nicely ordered. After that, you'll want to add line items. Click on Add Line at the bottom left to do this. Enter a description for clarity and proper tracking. This can be anything that succinctly describes what the transaction is about. Next, you'll need to choose the account that this entry applies to so that everything aligns with your broader financial records. Now, focus on the numbers. Determine whether this transaction is a debit or a credit, and input the appropriate figure. This organization helps in ensuring your books are balanced. Once you've inserted all the necessary details and confirmed that everything looks correct, all that's left is to click Save. This action records your journal entry, and it's now safely stored in Wave. And that's all there is to it. Creating journal entries in Wave is straightforward once you've got the hang of it. And this tool will undoubtedly help you keep a polished and professional financial ledger. Happy accounting!